I'm a supply chain manager at Amazon.
What's your name?
Ashi,
Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai, India.
How long have you been in the US?
3.5 years.
Where do you work and what is your position?
So I'm a supply chain manager at Amazon
Okay.
in the sub same day facility. So it's a quick and growing business.
How did you get this position?
LinkedIn,
Can you give me a range of your annual income?
100 and 120K.
If you were to break down your monthly expenses and savings in the US, so what would it be?
Approximately 15 to 20% is the rent, and utilities you can count, say, 800 to 1,000. All of that, yeah.
Got it. So you're able to save 20% in your savings.
Ish. Yeah, it depends on the month and the kind of expenses that you have. Yeah.
$200,000 in the US or 40 lakhs in India. Which one would you prefer and why?
It depends on a lot of things, like what kind of job I'm into, what company I'm into, what city I'm living in,
Yeah.
all of that. And like how far is my office from my home, like
Yeah.
that makes a huge difference. I used to live in Mumbai, so it used to be local trains, and now I probably use a public transport, which is easier. Definitely US.
What is your education background?
I'm a chemical engineer from India. And then here, when I came, I graduated at Purdue in engineering management.
What is one thing that you did right during your master's which helped you succeed?
Internships, co-ops.
What is one thing that you wish you could have done during your master's but you didn't do?
Go to more conferences and career fairs, because that, I think one of the career fairs helped me get my first internship, and networking
What is one thing that you love about the US?
and the independence it gives you.
Yeah. And what is something that you do not like about America?
Being away from family.
Was it worth it moving to the US?
For me, yeah. Yes, definitely. Oh, well, I think I got to know the parts of me that I would not have discovered in the cushion of my family, probably back home.
What is the most stressful thing about immigration in the US?
How confusing it is,
Yeah.
to be honest. Like, I don't remember all the steps. I have to go back to videos, and like, it's so stressful.
One advice for someone who is planning to move abroad, especially in the US.
Do your research. What courses you're going to take, what universities you're going for. Go for the best ones. Take the best universities, because not for the education and like, of course, for that, but for the network, the alumni network, that kind of really impacts
Yeah.
how your career is going to be in the next few years.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Yeah.